Look. See all that rain? You see? Coming close. Oh, honey. You're a little chirp. Chirp meow. Lala, you see all the rain? Kitty kitty. Yeah, I don't think you'll make it out tonight. Unless it stops and dries up a little bit. Look at that though. The sun is trying to come out. Maybe it'll be a downpour and then stop. Dry up. Maybe. Yeah, keep your paws crossed. Keep your little paws and toes crossed. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, it's like, not my ear, Mama. Put your finger in my ear. Sorry, buddy. Oh, there, see? The sun is trying to come out. So maybe we still have a few hours. Oliver's like, yeah, it's looking a little wet. Yeah, that ground is a little bit soaked. La 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 la. Big yawn. I think the rain makes you sleepy too. Does it make you sleepy, Deets? Does it make you sleepy, kitty? Good boys. Alright, we'll come back in a bit and see. Oh, it's coming down harder again. It's a good rain shower. I know. You're such a good boy. Such good boys. Watch the rain together. You're purring, kitty. I hear your purrs all the way over here. Trying to cuddle with Oliver. Good babies. Good babies. Alright, well, keep your toes crossed that it'll dry up. It'll stop raining and dry up out there.